The music theory concept of the week this week is around the keys of C major and the key of A minor, which are the two keys that we've played in so far in this course. Last week, it was around the key of C major, and this week is around the key of A minor. Now, these two keys are said to be relative to each other, which means that they are using and working from the same set of notes. They're using only white keys. We're not yet venturing into using black keys, which are called sharps and flats. We're just sticking with the white keys for now. But within the white keys, if you begin and end your music on the C, it's going to have that C major kind of sound to it. If you begin and end your music on the A, it has a minor sound to it. And you might notice the difference. C major seems to be brighter, more positive. A minor tends to sound more maybe serious or darker. So that's two different types of moods that you can project using the same set of keys, all depending on your starting point. Now, the one thing I wanted to point out is that these are called relative keys. They are related to each other. A minor is related to C major because they work from the same set of keys. So A minor is said to be the relative minor of C major, or C major is said to be the relative major of A minor. They are relatives to each other because they're working from the same set of keys. But what makes the difference in the key is where the music begins and ends. So in the key of C major, it begins and ends on C. In A minor, it begins and ends on A.